Welcome to the Thomas Ledger channel, where Bitcoin is simplified. So hello everybody, I am Thomas Ledger, and welcome to my channel. As you know, this channel started out as earn while sleeping with dividends, but we found through our calculation that that was a losing proposition. So at this point we are Bitcoin focused now. So look, I decided to make this space all about Bitcoin, no hype, no trading signals, just real Bitcoin knowledge for beginners, and there is a lot. If you do not have 1,000 hours of Bitcoin study, you will struggle through Bitcoin. That's through my experience. So, what is Bitcoin? A digital coin. It's pretty much, we'll call it digital money. There's 21 million that will ever be printed, and most of them are already mined, and that's a fact. And it cuts out middlemen, no banks, even though banks are in and finding a way in, but you can operate without them unless you want to use them and pay them more fees. So it's digital money that doesn't need banks or governments. It lets you send a value online safely and directly, peer-to-peer. That's its original design. So again, only 21 million. That makes Bitcoin scarce and powerful. Money built on mathematics, not politics. When I say mathematics, there are a lot of algorithms and cryptography that was used to design this to solve many problems, and it's the most powerful engineered monetary system ever existed. So, bottom line, we are Bitcoin, I want to say only, or Bitcoin maximalists. I'm not really fond of that term, but bottom line is we're focusing on Bitcoin and trying to simplify it for those who don't understand. I'm trying to make this simple and short, and not dig into too many details, but that's literally the bottom line. Okay. Why should you be in Bitcoin? Well, simply because I have a feeling that a lot of other markets are not going to recover well. America is in a very, very difficult situation, and not sure what the outcome is going to be, but it's best to put your money in the highest asset. And again, I'm not giving you any financial advice. I'm just telling you what we're focusing on, and this is a big trend. So anyway, that's enough. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this video. Just keeping it sweet and short. And that's all there is for today. Have a good day.